Imagine a place where more than 300 families come together and play a game for a month. Grandparents, kids, everyone participate. Why is this culture so different? And what is that one thing that we can learn from this place that can change the way we live our lives forever? This place is the Scotland of India, Cork. One of the popular destinations for nature lovers in southern Bharat is Cork. The original name of this place is Kodagu, which is what the locals still call it. It is said that when the British ruled this district during the colonial period, they called it Cork because they were unable to pronounce the local language. The natives of the land of Kodagu are known as Kodavas and are a martial race known for their passion for sports and armed forces. Field Marshal Karyappa was the first commander-in-chief of the Indian Army after independence and was also a Kodava. Even today, it is common to see at least one member of each Kodava family serving the Indian Armed Forces. While many associate Kodagu as a tourist hotspot, what most of us don't know is that this small hill station is also the cradle of hockey in Bharat. The passion for hockey is so strong that it has essentially become part of the Kodava culture. They say every Kodava is born with a gun in one hand and a hockey stick in the other. Many of you may not know that even I am from Kodagu. And I was also encouraged by my parents to play hockey and was also a state-level hockey player in my school days. The Kodavas have for years been conducting the world's largest hockey tournament. The Kodava Hockey Festival is a unique, vibrant month-long celebration held between March and April. This hockey tournament is called Namme or festival as it is more of a celebration than a competition. The tournament is unique because it is between all Kodava families. To understand this better, the Kodava community is broadly distributed in over 700 families, and each family consists of more than 250 to 300 members. The primary way to identify a Kodava is by their family name. It is said that when a Kodava meets someone new, the first thing they will ask is Ninga Dada, which means to which family do you belong? Every year, the Kodava community hosts a hockey festival with players from over 300 families participating. This tournament has also been listed in the Limca Book of Records as the biggest field hockey event in the world. Each year, a different family hosts, and the game follows the international rules of hockey. The only requirement to form a team is that all players must belong to the same family. And the unique thing about these matches is that children and adults of both genders and all age groups can take part. Every year, the hockey carnival is hosted during spring, and if you visit Kodagu during this time, you will notice an air of excitement. One of the beautiful things about these matches I like is that all the family members, even those who live outside the district, come back to their homeland to celebrate the games and enjoy each other's company. This unique form of community game started in 1997 with only 60 families participating, and today, in just over 2 decades, it has become a part of the Kodava annual calendar. Some of these players have gone on to become state and national level players. So far, more than 50 players from Kodagu have represented Bharat in international hockey tournaments. This is a huge contribution to the country, isn't it? A yogi once said, "A ball can change the world." And the Kodava Hockey Festival is a living example of how true this is. The tournament is not only about who won and who didn't. It's about togetherness, unity, and above all, culture.
I'm into army. Actually, this is an opportunity for me during my leave. And I'm very grateful ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕಲಿಪಕ್ಕೆ.
ನಾನು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿನಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಕಲಿಪಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಡತಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು నాకు ఏమని కలిసి.
So every Kodava basically looks forward to participate as a team. They find a pride to participate, joy, and into lot more to add on.
So we should also take this upon ourselves wherever we are, our town, office, or even just a family of 4 people. Let's bring some aspect of playfulness in the form of a game and see the magic that comes along. What is the game that you play in your community? Let us know in the comments below. This video is also available in our Kannada channel. And for more such videos, subscribe Social Vaani.